I audible, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So let's get started. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will go through one by one, and I will try to understand your uh, perspective, and then I will be guiding you what you have to do. Okay. So first, Farhan. So Farhan, can you tell me what is your role? You are applying for the internship.
So I'm applying for Java developer.
Java developer. Okay. So do you have background on microservice?
I only know Spring Boot and
Spring Boot. Okay. Have you developed any application in Microsoft with Spring Boot?
yes,
And where did you deploy those?
in GitHub.
No, GitHub you maintain your code. I'm asking in which server did you deploy? Is it in local only or you deployed in cloud also?
It is in local.
Only in local. And how many APIs did you develop? Did you integrate with authentication?
Yes, I have developed two softwares. One is API and one is e-commerce. In e-commerce, I have used authentication.
So, I mean, do you have the sample projects with you which you can show?
Yes,
And you have the APIs being tested in Postman.
yes.
And what about your understanding or experience on database design?
I know about MySQL, and I have also added MySQL with my software.
Okay. What about NoSQL databases?
I don't have idea about that.
Okay. Cache mechanism?
No.
Idea on that. Okay. Sure. So you would be learning with all this in this internship, which will be integrated knowledge for all different stack which is required for a Java developer. Okay. So now I will be guiding or giving you assignments. Okay. Each individual separately. It won't be same how we did as a case study review in our previous session in February. So in this, I will give you the assignment based on what you have been doing so far. Okay. So in your laptop, then you have the setup for Spring Boot and you have MySQL database and Postman. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. And have you ever created Docker file and deployed the Docker image using this, for your microservice? Do you have
No.
an idea about Docker?
No.
No idea. Okay. So can you take that as an assignment that whatever microservice you are building, you just need to run that microservice as an Docker image.
Okay, I can.
Okay. So please take that and send me a WhatsApp message that your assignment is on this. That you have to run that microservice using a Docker image.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Any doubt? Any question?
When you will give me the assignment?
I gave just now. I mean, whatever I said, that's the assignment for you.
Any microservice?
Any microservice which you should be able to run it through a Docker image, and you should be able to show by testing the endpoint using Postman. That is the assignment.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Hansel, how are you, man?
Fine, sir.
Hi. So, what is that you are planning to learn now?
We had a case study to do, but was never a chance to
So, you had
present.
picked up the case study, right, last time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what exactly did you do with that case study? Did you
I did a power presentation on the steps by steps and the different AWS services that were required to be able
on the DevOps side?
to host it on the yes to host the website on the cloud.
So, where did you host it? Uh, did you pick up any sample web application and sample microservice and did you host them in AWS?
Not yet. I just drew the plan, but I
Just
wasn't
have drawn the diagrams,
not really the diagram. I drew the plan on PowerPoint.
PowerPoint presentations. Yeah, I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
in terms of documents only, no coding or no real time deployment, basically. Right.
Yes. I was to I was to try the
Okay.
real time, but I was a little bit stuck at
So,
getting a
got
domain.
it. That's fine. So, can you take the assignment that, what you are going to do is you pick up any microservice and one web application, very simple web application which just displays one page, and one microservice which just has one minimum one API which you can test it via Postman. Okay, so you deploy the microservice in a EC2 instance, and also you deploy the web application in EC2 instance. Can you take that activity?
I'm trying to write it down, so
Yeah.
I'm a bit confused with the microservice.
Deploy a Java Spring Boot microservice in EC2 instance,
Yes, sir.
and one web application in EC2 instance.
All using EC2, not S3.
Not S3, EC2 instance.
Okay, sir.
So those all exercises will be there. It will be there for S3 bucket for only static website, but the one which you are going to do, that would be not static. It would be dynamic. It would be integrated with database or microservice or endpoints or API gateway, Lambda function, and also afterwards you will be doing it with Kubernetes cluster. So there are a lot of activities you are going to do as a part of this internship.
Okay, so this first task is static, right? Not
First task
dynamics.
is a static website deploy in EC2 and also a microservice in EC2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I am not asking at this moment to create your VPC or subnet or IAM roles and all. It will be very, you can make it public and very simple deployment you do based on how you present it and whatever you do, how fast you do, I will give you the next activities.
Okay, sir.
Okay, NG, what is your full name? NG, can you speak please? Okay, I'll move on with Nisha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, Nisha, what is that role you are aspiring to?
Java developer, sir.
Java developer. Okay. Can you brief me about your experience in Java?
Sir, I don't have experience.
You have not done Java anything? Any
No, sir.
tuition, any training, nothing?
Online and your videos in YouTube I watch, sir.
No, but hands-on you have not done anything so far.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Then, Nisha, the internship would be very difficult or almost nearer to impossible, because the internship is for people who already knows programming, right? If you are a Java developer, then you have to know programming already with the training, and so that internship you can do. This is to directly to develop the project. So before doing the project, you have to know in Java.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in case if you want to go for a training in Java, let me know. There are people who are taking training from me. I can coach you and give you a end-to-end Java training where you will learn fully and you will become capable of doing application development.
Okay, sir.
Because if I say you, can you develop a microservice? I know you will not understand anything. Basically.
Okay, sir.
Right?
I can try, sir.
Yeah. So go ahead. If you want to try, you go ahead. So then you develop one microservice. Do one thing. Develop
Okay,
a
sir.
microservice to do CRUD operations on student details.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it should basically create students, update the details of a student, edit students, delete students, those operations. Do CRUD operations
Okay, sir.
on student.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that would be your activity.
Okay, sir.
All right. Sanjeev,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So may I know what is that role you are trying to be coached at
Sir, I want to apply Java developers.
as a Java development coach? Okay. And what is
This
your experience in Java?
experience is Spring Boot framework
Mm-hmm.
and database MySQL.
Okay. So have you developed REST APIs?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You did. And have
This,
you know how to test Postman?
yes.
Okay. So then you take up an maybe similar to Nisha, you take one case study that develop a microservice and REST APIs for institutions. Okay, institutions like college names. Okay, so details about a college
College.
name, location, address, like that. CRUD
Oh,
operations
okay,
on
okay, sir.
institutions.
Oh, okay. So I only test in Postman.
That's fine. You just develop the APIs and test them in Postman and show me the demo.
Oh, okay, okay, sir.
Okay. So there
So
are
can I
how
use
many
the database in MySQL?
use MySQL as a database. You can use MySQL or
Oh,
MongoDB. Do you know
oh,
about
okay, yes, sir.
MongoDB?
But sir, no, sir. I comfort in MySQL.
That should be fine to start with.
Oh, okay, okay, yes.
All right. So I
Thank you,
see.
sir.
Okay. Any doubt? Any question?
No, sir, not yet.
So Arfan, you are done, right? Did we talk to you, Irfan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Irfan, if you are not going to talk, I'll move to next person. NG, I'm coming back to you. Do you want to? Are you able to hear us?
Sure, sure.
Okay. So would you like to tell me about your interest?
I would
What
like to
exactly
be
you are looking at?
I was looking forward in becoming a Scrum Master or a UI developer.
Scrum Master or UI developer. But
Or yep.
are you not fixed or sure which one you want to go for?
Like I'm flexible with both of them
Both
from my
Scrum Master
perspective. Yeah,
and
I have like
UI developer.
experience in both of them. That's why.
Yeah, I think I appreciate the choice because that is what is required for any Scrum Master. Okay, for any Scrum
Yeah, yeah,
Master role, you should be
yeah.
not only for agile compliant and management side, but if you are
Yeah.
good at any other technical area, either UI development or Java development or DevOps, then
Yep.
you would be best suited in any of the companies.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to start with UI development with React.js?
React.js. Sure, sure.
Okay, so have you worked on React.js before?
Like since I'm in college right now, I'm a computer science student, so like I have like experience in React.js and like HTML and CSS as well.
Okay, okay, that's good. But have you explored any application in React.js?
Application in React.js. A lot of applications are there using
Great.
React.js. So
Okay, okay.
yeah,
So can you give one example out of whatever you have done? The one which you think that this is the best, and no, this is
I've seen
the.
a hotel booking. I've seen a hotel booking app made
So
by
can you
made.
show me a demo on the code of hotel booking application?
Like I don't have the code right now because like recently my like I'm in the process of making it, and like since my PC crashed, I had to like reinstall the Windows again, and like everything has been cleared. So I'm like
So
recollecting
right
my
now,
data.
do you have any single application in React.js which you can show me?
Not yet, but
Not
I
yet.
do have one. Like I made one hotel
But
booking app.
didn't you
Like
keep those code in GitHub?
no, I had, but I lost the account right now because I'm trying to like re get it. Like and like when I get it, I will be like more than happy to show you.
So guys,
Is that
this is one
is it okay with
important. Okay.
is that okay with you? I mean,
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So
okay, okay, okay.
one important thing is, see, everybody, whoever you are doing any project, right? Always
Yeah,
try
yeah,
to
yeah.
save it in GitHub.
Like we are using GitLab though.
That's fine. GitLab or GitHub, anyone.
Yeah, sure. Like I have the codes and all, but I have not like
Hmm.
what you say now cloned it in my local repository and stuff.
Yeah,
Workstation
you
works.
can just check out and explore, set it up, run it, and explore it little bit, and then you demo it. I'm not
Okay,
telling
okay,
right away. I'm saying after you take a day, you do it today, and tomorrow again when we meet at 8 p.m. That time you show me.
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay.
Like,
So
is there like is it possible for me to like also be the Scrum Master?
definitely. That's why I asked. Both you will be okay. So
Okay,
first I will evaluate you on your skills on React.js in UI development
okay,
for a couple of days,
okay,
and then next couple of days I will evaluate on your Scrum Master role.
okay. May I
Even
do
right
the
away,
Scrum
what I can
Master?
do is I will in this meeting itself I will give it to you that you run this meeting, and I want to see how you are doing it as a Scrum Master. You have
Meeting, right?
Scrum Master experience, like background.
Yep,
What
yep.
is Scrum Master? What are the responsibilities? What are
Yeah,
different
like
projects you have?
we had one course regarding agile model. That's why like I have experience on it.
Okay. Okay. So that is wonderful. I can make you a Scrum Master for this team itself, and I
Okay.
will guide you to become a perfect Scrum Master.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, okay. Cool.
Okay.
Am I done now?
Come again.
Am I done now? Like, can I
Yeah. I
mute
mean,
my mic
until you
again?
have any question or any topic more, you are done.
Okay, like the program that you're having right now, is it the internship program or a job for like job thing?
This is for this is an internship program. Okay, and right
Yeah.
now we are doing the
Okay.
evaluation. So I am giving you small
Yeah. Okay.
activities or
Okay.
tasks.
Okay.
So you need to do that, and through that, your commitment and how you are doing. Based on that, you will be selected whether you are eligible for the internship or not. If you are eligible, then we'll give you offer letter.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and that
Okay.
offer
Got.
letter you can show it in your college if you are a student, and you can if you are searching for
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
job, you can show it to other company.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure.
Okay, and if
Thank you.
anyone is if you are applying only for job, then you don't need to attend this meeting. You can send your resume to our HR email, and you'll have a technical discussion for the job position. Clear?
And like I have one question. Is it a paid intern or experience based internship?
It is both are available. Okay, but before
Okay. Okay.
if you are eligible enough for paid internship,
Yeah.
that time you will be assigned customer or client work and project work.
Okay.
But
Okay.
if it
Okay.
is a
Okay.
experienced
Got.
based internship, that time you will not be assigned any work. It will be only for learning materials which will be given, learning
Yeah.
assignments
Sure.
will be
Sure.
given to you.
Sure. Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Okay, anyone else want to bring up any point?
Hello, good
Yes,
evening, sir.
good evening.
Sir, I'm asking that when will the internship program will start?
It started yesterday. Now you are in internship program.
Sir, when you will give me the offer letter?
So we are evaluating right now. So evaluation process is I am asking you what is your current experience. You need to tell me. Based on that, I am giving an assignment to you, and you have to do that assignment, and you have to show it to me tomorrow. So like that, on daily basis, I will give you some assignment, and for 1 week or max 2 weeks, I will be evaluating your performance. Based on that, if you are selected, then you will get an offer letter.
Because I have knowledge about HTML, CSS, Tailwind, and React. So I want to do the for on React UI development
You have to
internship.
do for the UI development. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
have you developed any React application so far?
Yes, sir. I have developed like I am making a like a weather app by React and mm, a e-commerce website of shoes that helps to filter the quality and the filter the quantity and the types of shoes which helps and some small projects I have done because I have completed it yet few days ago.
Okay. Do you have the code with you?
Yes, sir. It is on my GitHub profile.
Okay. So can you demonstrate that tomorrow?
Okay, sir. I can demonstrate it.
Okay. So I'll tell you what will be included in that demo. You have to give an overview of that application. You have to tell all different technical components which are there, what are the different libraries you have used, and show the execution flow of the application, and you take example of 1 or 2 pages and show how code is written for those pages and what are the different actions you are doing there.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I will evaluate all the things and by tomorrow.
Okay, and is it integrated with APIs or it is only static?
I have on my GitHub.
Your voice is breaking,
Yes,
can't
sir. I can work with API. No, sir. It can be all are based on API.
there is no API.
Yes, sir. I can work with APIs. Many projects have I have developed
Okay.
using API.
Sure. So take an example.
So, sir, I
You have
make a
API
project like
integration.
project.
Yeah, I'm saying
Sir,
take
can
an
you tell
example
again?
where you have integration with API.
Sir, in my e-commerce website of shoes, I integrate all the shoes images from the API and its information also from the API.
APIs are running where?
The API running on my local host, sir.
As a microservice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can explain those entire integrated system. Okay. So
Okay.
based on that, your selection will happen.
Okay, sir.
Okay. But right away, I can give a quick feedback that you definitely have to improve your communication skill.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And that also will be a part of our internship. When you give demos day by day, you will be working with all other team members. As you see, we have many DevOps people, we have Scrum Master, we have business analyst, we have UX team member, and we have Java developers. So when you work with them very closely and you discuss on daily basis, your communication will skill will improve day by day.
Well, I will improve my skills.
That is the reason, there are every person will have some or other gaps. We'll be focusing on those gaps, how to improve them.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And that is why it is not a matter of just 1 week or 2 week or 1 month, 2 month. We need minimum 3 months to max at least 6 months. That is where
Okay, sir.
you will be able to improve so all different types of skills, and you become a complete package to become a good software engineer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And I'll be guiding you throughout all your journey in every aspect of your skill building.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. So you are clear on your activity, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Anybody else has any point to bring up? And for your information, I'll be uh, not only available at this point at 8 o'clock IST, but also I'll be available throughout the day. You feel free to message me when you have any doubt, any question. So that is a offer to you from my side. I will be dedicating my time to help you out. So you don't have to wait till 8 p.m. IST. Throughout the day, you can message me anytime, any questions you have, anything you want to discuss, or even simply you want to talk to me to discuss something, that also you post me as a message. Whenever I am free or I am available, I will make out some time and I will discuss with you to help you. Is that fine
Okay,
for
sir.
you? Okay. So, yeah. So if no other points are there from anybody, then we are good for today. Everybody has assignments and we will meet tomorrow until you
Sir,
reach out. Yeah.
when we should submit the first assignment, sir?
You need to show me on daily basis. So I gave you the assignment. You have to show me tomorrow 8 o'clock when we meet. You have to show me in last 24 hours what you have done.
Okay, sir.
So it is not that you have to complete everything. You have to show me how much you have done in the past 24 hours.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And that is one of the features in a company. You will have to meet on daily basis as a stand-up meeting. So our scrum master will guide you. In that you have to tell every day what you have done in the previous day and what is your plan for the next day. Same thing we are going to do.
Okay, sir.
That discussion at 8 p.m.
Okay, sir.
All right. And anything else from anybody? So NG, what is your full name? NG? Are you there? Okay, so then I think we are good for today. See you all tomorrow. Take care.
Okay, sir.